Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today we're going to be cooking Filipino adobo with my own twist. So these are the ingredients that you will need. Soy sauce, rice vinegar, mirin, brown sugar, black pepper, bay leaf, sesame seeds for garnish, garlic, and spring onions. And last but not the least, chicken thighs, my favorite. For the first step, we're gonna marinate the chicken with these ingredients. Okay. 1 cup of soy sauce, rice vinegar, mirin, bay leaf, black pepper, some garlic, let's add 5 cloves of garlic. Oof. Massage it gently, heat it gently like flour. Okay. Let this marinate in the fridge about 30 to an hour, 30 minutes to an hour, and then we're ready to cook. Okay, so after marinating the chicken for about 30 minutes to an hour, put in your pan, put fire, put it in a high heat, let the pan heat nice and hot. Okay, while waiting for this, while the pan is nice and hot, add a little bit of oil. Okay, while this is getting nice and hot, we're gonna sear the marinated chicken. Tie down. Get this nice brown color. Once we're done searing this stuff, just gonna remove excess oil. And this, my guy, you don't want to throw it out. This thing here is full of flavor.
Is that right? You could be right! You're so right!
Roast the garlic. Deglaze this pan with the marination liquid. Bring that to the boil. Let's add our chicken back. This juice, guys, put it back. It's full of flavors. Let it simmer for about, I say, 15 to 20 minutes until cooked. Okay. Shim bands. Garnish. Let this stuff. Oof. Oof. Put it in cold water. Now we're just gonna base it with a sauce to prevent the meat from drying out. It's time to open this magical. Goodness gracious. Smell it. Let's have some final taste.
マグロだし特有のかぐわしさが鼻腔を抜ける。玉ねぎのとろりとした甘さも相まって体中を包み込むようだ。
Delightful. Now it's time to plate this up. Okay. Plate the chicken. Let's choose this beautiful chicken. Chicken. Let's add some sauce. Now, just gonna finish this with some garnish of we have some of these sesame seeds. Here you go. Filipino adobo with my version of twist. Okay, let's taste this. Whew. Do this, guys. A little bit of salt, sauce. Wow,
Wala, oy.
tender, juicy, succulent. Ah. Good.
Exactly as planned.
Okay guys, that's all for today, and if you're new to this channel, please click the like button and please subscribe. See you next time.